Is XRP on the brink of a massive breakout? The Securities and Exchange Commission's appeal deadline is just hours away, and investors are holding their breath, waiting for what could be the most significant moment in XRP's legal battle. Could this be the catalyst that sends XRP soaring to new heights? Stay with me because in today's video, we're diving deep into what this could mean for XRP, how high its price could climb, and why investors are more bullish than ever. Don't miss a second of this update, it could be one of the biggest turning points for Ripple and XRP. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your number one source for everything happening in the crypto world. If you're a crypto enthusiast, XRP investor, or just someone trying to stay ahead of the trends, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on critical updates like this. We're talking about major price movements, legal updates, and the latest trends shaping the future of digital assets. And as always, smash that like button if you're excited about where XRP is headed. Let's show some love for the XRP community. Today, we have an action-packed update for you, and trust me, you'll want to watch until the end. We're talking about the Securities and Exchange Commission's last chance to appeal the recent court ruling on XRP. Will they file in time? If they don't, the case could be dismissed, opening the door for Ripple to achieve a massive victory. But that's not all. I'll break down why some analysts believe XRP could surge by over 100%, hitting price targets that seemed impossible just months ago. And stay tuned because I'll also reveal two major external catalysts that could push XRP even higher in the weeks ahead. So, grab a seat, stay locked in, and let's jump right into it. Let's start with the burning question on everyone's mind: what happens if the Securities and Exchange Commission misses its appeal deadline? Well, to put it simply, it could be a game changer. As it stands, the Securities and Exchange Commission has just a few hours left to file its formal appeal against Judge Analisa Torres's landmark decision that XRP is not a security. If they fail to do so, the consequences could be monumental. The dismissal of the appeal would mean that the Securities and Exchange Commission has effectively run out of options to overturn the ruling. This, in turn, would uphold the judge's decision, cementing XRP's legal status and clearing the path for Ripple to operate without the looming shadow of regulatory uncertainty. More importantly, it could pave the way for XRP's price to soar, as investors and institutions would feel more confident in the asset's long-term potential. To give you some context, this legal battle between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission has been dragging on for nearly 3 years. The uncertainty surrounding the case has undoubtedly kept XRP's price suppressed, as investors remained cautious about the potential regulatory outcomes. But now, with the possibility of the case being dismissed, the floodgates could open, and we might see an influx of new capital entering the market. So, what could happen to XRP's price if the Securities and Exchange Commission's appeal is dismissed? Let's look at some recent history. Back in July 2023, when Judge Torres initially ruled in favor of Ripple, declaring that XRP was not a security, the price of XRP skyrocketed by over 100%, jumping from 46 cents to 93 cents in just a matter of days. This surge was driven by the market's overwhelming optimism following the legal victory, and it showed the world that XRP had the potential to deliver massive gains when freed from regulatory pressure. Now, imagine what could happen if the Securities and Exchange Commission's appeal is dismissed permanently. We could be looking at another major price surge, potentially pushing XRP beyond its previous high of 93 cents and into uncharted territory. In fact, some analysts are predicting that XRP could rise as high as $1.12, based on the current technical setup and market conditions. But why stop there? Let's explore some other factors that could amplify XRP's price movement in the coming weeks and months. One major factor to keep an eye on is the upcoming United States elections. Scheduled for November 5th, the elections could have a significant impact on the broader financial markets, including crypto. Historically, the months leading up to and following elections tend to bring about increased market volatility, and this time could be no different. In fact, many analysts are predicting that a bullish run could begin shortly after the elections, regardless of who wins. This is largely due to the fact that institutional investors often view elections as a turning point, and the outcome can provide greater clarity for future market conditions. Combine this with the potential legal victory for Ripple, and we could be looking at a perfect storm for XRP to take off. It's also worth noting that current polls show a strong likelihood of a Trump victory, which could have a positive impact on the crypto space. During his previous administration, Trump was known for his deregulatory policies, which could benefit the broader crypto market, including XRP. If Trump wins, we could see renewed interest from institutional investors, leading to a fresh wave of capital entering the market. In addition, Ripple's ongoing efforts to position itself as a leader in cross-border payments could drive further interest in XRP as a utility token. The more Ripple succeeds in establishing itself as a viable alternative to traditional payment systems, the greater the demand for XRP will be. And with institutional investors increasingly looking for ways to diversify their portfolios, XRP could become an attractive option in a post-lawsuit world. From a technical perspective, XRP's price is currently moving within a rising channel, which is typically a bullish pattern that suggests further gains could be on the horizon. If the Securities and Exchange Commission's appeal is dismissed, this pattern could play out in XRP's favor, leading to a breakout above the 65 cents resistance level that has been acting as a barrier for the past 3 months. Once XRP clears this resistance, the next major target would be the psychological level of $1. This level is significant not only because of its round number, but also because it represents a key resistance point from previous price movements. If XRP can break above $1, it could open the door to even higher levels, with some analysts eyeing $1.12 as the next potential target. But what happens if XRP surpasses $1.12? Could we see an even bigger rally? The answer is yes. Given the favorable market conditions and the potential for a Ripple victory, it's not out of the question for XRP to continue climbing beyond $1.12 and possibly challenge its all-time high of $3.84, set back in 2018. Alright, guys, we're halfway through this deep dive into XRP's potential price surge, and things are looking incredibly bullish. If you're finding this analysis helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always up to date with the latest XRP news and analysis. I've got plenty more insights coming your way, so stay tuned. Now, let's talk about the potential outcomes if the Securities and Exchange Commission does, in fact, meet the deadline and file their appeal. While this would prolong the case, it doesn't necessarily spell doom for XRP. In fact, many legal experts believe that Ripple still has a strong chance of winning the case, even if the Securities and Exchange Commission manages to drag it out. Ripple's legal team has been scoring major wins throughout this battle, and the momentum appears to be on their side. The fact that the judge has already ruled in favor of Ripple on key issues suggests that the courts are sympathetic to their argument. Even if the case continues, Ripple's chances of success remain high. In the meantime, XRP's price could continue to trade within the rising channel, with any dips likely being bought up by investors looking to accumulate more XRP ahead of a final resolution. However, despite Bitcoin's decline, XRP has been one of the best performing altcoins in the top 100 over the past 24 hours. This relative strength could be a sign that XRP is decoupling from Bitcoin, which would be a very bullish development for the altcoin market as a whole. If XRP can maintain this decoupling and continue to outperform, it could attract even more attention from investors. In conclusion, XRP is standing at the cusp of a major breakout, with the Securities and Exchange Commission's appeal deadline just hours away. Whether the Securities and Exchange Commission files or not, XRP is poised for significant price movements, and the legal uncertainty that has weighed on the asset for years could finally be lifted. So, what's your prediction? Do you think XRP will surge past $1 if the Securities and Exchange Commission's appeal is dismissed? Or are you expecting a different outcome? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys and seeing where everyone stands on this. And once again, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep an eye on the charts, and I'll see you in the next video.